What gives money its power? A shiny coin? A printed note? Or is it the trust we all agree to place in it? For thousands of years, money has been the engine of human civilization, from ancient gold rattling in a pouch to the silent glowing numbers in our digital wallets. The very essence of value has evolved, and today that evolution is happening faster than ever before. This is the story of money. Thousands of years ago, life was simpler, but trade was complicated. Humans exchanged goods directly in a system we call barter. You might trade your surplus grain for your neighbor's cattle or a bolt of cloth for a bag of precious salt. But barter had a huge problem, what economists call the double coincidence of wants. You had to find someone who not only had what you needed, but also wanted what you had to offer. It was inefficient and limited the growth of societies. To solve this, civilizations invented a revolutionary tool, money. It was a universally accepted symbol of value. At first, this took the form of tangible, durable items like shells or beads. Soon, precious metals like gold and silver were minted into coins. Their value was inherent in the metal itself. Then came another leap, paper money. These notes were initially just receipts, promises that you could redeem them for a specific amount of gold locked away in a secure vault. Money was changing from something with intrinsic value to something that represented value. You're watching Factsralogy, where curiosity meets reality. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. This shift from gold coins to paper notes marked a profound change in our relationship with money. It wasn't just about the metal anymore. It became about trust. You didn't need to carry heavy gold in your hand. You just needed to believe that the paper note in your pocket was worth something. And who guaranteed that worth? Governments and central banks, they stepped in to underwrite this trust, creating the centralized banking systems that built the modern global economy. This system of fiat currency money backed by government decree rather than a physical commodity allowed for unprecedented economic expansion and stability. Then, in the 20th century, money took its biggest leap yet. It began to dematerialize, it went digital. The advent of credit cards, ATMs, and eventually online banking transformed our transactions. Physical cash started to be replaced by simple numbers on a screen. Think about it. When was the last time you paid for a major purchase with a stack of bills? Today, it is estimated that over 90% of the world's money doesn't exist as physical notes or coins at all. It exists purely as data flowing through vast interconnected computer networks. This brings us to the great debate, physical versus digital. Physical money is tangible. You can hold it, feel its weight, hide it under your mattress, or hand it directly to someone else with no intermediary. It's private and final. Digital money, on the other hand, is built for the modern world. It's incredibly fast, allowing for instant transactions across the globe. It's borderless and can even be programmable, opening up new financial possibilities. But this convenience comes with a trade off. Digital money almost always relies on middlemen banks, payment apps, and government systems to verify, process, and store our funds. That dependence creates both incredible convenience and a new layer of control. Now we are standing on the cusp of another monumental era in the history of money, an era where trust might not come from governments or banks, but from pure mathematics and cryptography. This is the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. These innovations have redefined money once again, proposing a system that is decentralized, meaning no single entity is in charge. It's transparent, with transactions recorded on a public ledger, and it's inherently global. This isn't just a new way to pay. It's a fundamental rethinking of what money can be and who controls it. This is where the story of money turns digital, perhaps forever. From the simple act of barter to the complex algorithms of the blockchain, the story of money has always been a story of trust and evolution. Each chapter has built upon the last, solving old problems while creating new challenges, and the next chapter, it's being written right now, in code, in policy, and in the choices we all make every day. What do you think the future of money will look like? Thanks for exploring this with us on Factsralogy. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode where we connect curiosity with reality. See you next time.